Thank you very much for having us. We were the Rumbleships. Guga, 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 Rada Rumbleships.
I've never met my wife though. You're not the only person to get it wrong. It's alright. You're not the only person to get it wrong. It's alright. Oh, you poor, poor boy. You don't know what you've done. Poor, poor boys. You know you still got time to run. I know it's gonna hurt your pride though, to have to do the way your night so. I'll come back here tomorrow night alone, and you can take anything. You can take anything.